Hey everyone, welcome back to Henny's AI Buddy. I'm so excited to have you here with us today. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or new to the channel, you're in for a treat. We're all about exploring fascinating topics, sharing incredible insights, and having a blast along the way. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now let's dive right into today's amazing video.
Artificial intelligence. Hello. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI. We'll cover what AI is, its types, key components, applications, techniques, challenges, and future trends. Let's get started. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. Types of AI. There are two main types of AI. First, narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed and trained for a specific task, such as image recognition or language translation. Second, general AI, or strong AI, has human-like cognitive abilities, capable of understanding and performing any intellectual task that a human can. Components of AI. AI is built on several key components. One of the most important is machine learning, a subset of AI that enables systems to learn from data and improve over time without explicit programming. Another critical component is neural networks, which are inspired by the structure and functioning of the human brain. NLP, computer vision, robotics. Other essential components contributing to AI's capabilities include natural language processing, or NLP, which allows machines to understand and respond to human language, computer vision, which enables machines to interpret and make decisions based on visual inputs, and robotics, which combines AI with physical machines. AI applications. AI has a wide range of applications. In healthcare, AI assists in disease diagnosis, personalized treatment plans, and drug discovery. In finance, AI algorithms power fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and risk assessment. In the automotive industry, self-driving cars utilize AI for navigation, object recognition, and decision-making on the road. AI is also used in customer service through chatbots, which provide automated support and assistance, and in gaming, where AI opponents employ adaptive strategies to challenge players. AI techniques. AI relies on various techniques to function effectively. Machine learning algorithms enable systems to learn from data and improve over time. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, uses neural networks with many layers to learn complex representations of data. Challenges in AI development. Despite its advancements, AI development faces several challenges. Data quality is crucial as AI systems heavily rely on high-quality data for training and decision-making. Interpretability is another challenge, as understanding how AI systems arrive at their decisions is essential for trust and accountability. Future trends. Looking ahead, there are exciting future trends in AI. Autonomous systems will continue to develop, becoming more self-learning and self-optimizing. Human-AI collaboration will enhance human capabilities through AI augmentation rather than replacement. Ethical AI will focus on creating systems that are transparent, fair, and aligned with human values. Conclusion. AI is transforming our world in remarkable ways, and its potential is limitless. We encourage you to continue exploring and innovating in AI to address societal challenges and improve human well-being. Thanks for watching.
That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you found it helpful or entertaining, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.